Back to Do It with Diana. So today we are actually going to be doing a little bit of a motivational, different clean with me type of video situation, and that is because it is the new year and everybody knows new year, new me, right? So new year, I am going to go ahead and clean this whole room out. Not out, but I'm going to tidy it up pretty much, because it has been a mess throughout the holidays. Everyone's coming over, everyone's leaving, everyone comes back, and then it's like a whole scenario. So we are gonna go ahead and just get this all cleaned up. There is a mess everywhere. I will go ahead and show you guys like everything. Like my desk is a mess. This is all laundry. There's Chips Ahoy cookies down there. That's a mess. So let's go ahead and get started, and then hopefully this gives you a little bit of motivation to go ahead and help you clean your room, clean your office, clean your home, or just clean in general. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the room looks like right now, and then I am gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like after, so you guys can see somewhat of a difference. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you what this room looks like. So right when you come in, you go ahead and see this whole mess, laundry that needs to be done, random pillow on the floor. You come over here to my desk and it is a mess of notebooks, pens, computer, washi tapes, a whole bunch of things. Right here is the chair with my husband's bag, and then as well Christmas gifts that we haven't given out to my in-laws. Laundry that's already cleaned but needs to be folded. This situation right here, the bed that's half almost done, my hair straightener, my hair brush, my bag, and then right here you see everything else, and water bottles, because in every room you need water bottles. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so quick pause. As you guys can see, I changed outfits because it did go ahead and get really hot. But I'm gonna go ahead and organize my bags, because as you can see here, there is like 3 bags there. I'm not even using those. And then there's another bag here, which is the one I am using. And then there's the bag bins that I have that are under the bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out and get them organized. And yeah, I don't know, it's nighttime right now because that's when I started cleaning, and I'm very crepuscular where I like to do things at night. I like to clean at night. I like to do like homework and stuff at night. Like I don't like doing it in the day because I feel like in the day like I do it but I don't focus as much as I do at night. So if you guys are like me, go ahead and raise your hand, because I love doing things at night, cleaning up at night, getting it all done, getting it out, and then that way like by the time I actually go to bed, like I'm done, I'm finished, I don't have to do anything else. So let's go ahead and continue this video with putting away bags and stuff. Oh, and this, I don't know if you guys see this right here. This actually has my scarves and beanies since it is winter right now, and then our sneakers that we tend to use the most. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue this cleaning. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I use as much of my space as I can. And under this thing right here, there literally is a bunch of shoes, chocolate chip cookies, and bottles of water. So I'm in there and maybe dust them a little bit because they're a little dirty. And then that's it. I'll show you guys the final review. Alright, so that is it, you guys. That is the clean with me video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if this gave you just a little bit of motivation to go ahead and clean your own space, clean your own room, your office, your bathroom, just your desk in general, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs down if you don't like this video. And then as well, feel free to go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell so that you guys can be on the lookout when I post my next video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I know I can finally breathe in this room now that it is all clean. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your year, and I look forward to seeing you guys and posting more videos. Bye!